Bridges aren't just for crossing rivers anymore. Around the world, some bridges are engineering miracles, some are art, and some will honestly test your courage. Today, let's explore the world's most unique bridges. This futuristic bridge curls into a perfect circle when not in use. Instead of lifting up, it rolls itself closed, a masterpiece of modern design. Suspended between mountains, this is one of the highest glass bridges in the world. One crack sound effect and visitors freeze instantly. Named after the biblical story, this bridge splits the water apart. You walk below water level, surrounded by walls of water on both sides. Found in Meghalaya, these bridges are grown, not built. Villagers train tree roots for decades, creating bridges that last hundreds of years. Inspired by Chinese knots, this colorful bridge looks like a looped ribbon floating in the air. Functional and stunning, a bridge for boats. It connects to canals and lets ships sail over a river. At night, this bridge shoots water illuminated by thousands of LED lights, making it the longest fountain bridge in the world. Just ropes, planks, and a 100-foot drop below, not for the faint-hearted. Bright red and snake-shaped, this bridge looks straight out of a cartoon, but it's real and walkable. Not the oldest, but one of the most iconic, its bascules still lift today for ships, blending history with technology. Held aloft by two giant stone hands, the Golden Bridge in Vietnam looks like a scene from a fantasy film. It offers visitors a heavenly walk through the clouds. In Singapore, the Helix Bridge mimics the structure of DNA. At night, it lights up in a dazzling display, a true fusion of science and art. High in the mountains of Malaysia, the Langkawi Sky Bridge offers breathtaking views from its curved walkway. It's a journey for thrill seekers. Known as the Blinking Eye Bridge, the Gateshead Millennium Bridge in England tilts to allow boats to pass underneath the graceful and ingenious piece of engineering. Soaring 565 meters above a river, China's Baipanjiang Bridge is the highest in the world. Crossing it is like flying among the clouds. In China, the Chengyang Wind and Rain Bridge was built without a single nail. This architectural marvel provides shelter and is a masterpiece of traditional Dong carpentry. Is it a bridge or an amusement park ride? The Tianjin Eye in China is both. A giant Ferris wheel sits atop this bridge, offering incredible city views from its capsules. From living trees to floating fountains, bridges prove that human creativity has no limits. If you love this journey, like, subscribe, and comment which bridge shocked you most.